Hi, I'm Manuel. So you had talked about having two emails, getting messages from two different or into two different email accounts. And I'm really not sure how that happened because I do only have one email for you. However, it looks like maybe your Google Classroom is associated with a different email. And so I cannot change that. So I'm going to show you how you could change that email. So when you are in the Google Classroom, anywhere you're in the Google Classroom, let's say you're on this page, you're actually going to go over here to the left to the main menu and click on those three lines. Let me see if I can adjust the screen a little bit. There we are. Okay, I'm going to go back so you can see that. So you're going to click here on those three lines to get the main menu, and then you're going to go down to settings. Click on settings. You're going to go to your account settings and you're going to click on manage. You're going to go to personal info on the left. And then you're going to go down to your email, and then this is where you're going to be able to click on that, and this is where you're going to change your email so that it is the email that you want associated with your Google Classroom. All right, so then I don't know if you need to save it. Nope, after you put in that email, you'll be ready to go. There's two different places where that email goes. Yeah, I think that's it though. Just change it there. All right, and that should do it. Okay, thanks.